Hello everyone, this is Sia Caramelagos, and in the last video we talked a little bit about mutation. So I wanted to show you why mutation can be bad in JavaScript. So say we have three roommates and we want to describe what's in their household because they're about to have a roommate breakup. So let's have Susie equal, this is her things. So Susie has clothes and she has, or let's just start with that, clothes. And let's say, let Priscilla, which is my dog, equal Susie. And, you know, we'll suppose that they all have significantly different body shapes, so maybe their clothes are obviously there, so this is okay that we're listing them the same. And let's have Harry equal Susie also, so they all have clothes. So if I look at Susie, she has clothes, Harry has clothes, and Priscilla has clothes. Okay, so maybe Priscilla also has a vinyl collection. So let's do Priscilla.push and let's say vinyl collection. So that's cool. Priscilla now has two things in her array, right? But what happened to Susie and Harry? Let's look at Susie. Uh-oh, this is very bad. So when they have the roommate breakup, it's going to look like Susie also has vinyl when in fact she didn't. Okay. So that's not good. What if, and of course, Harry also has this problem. But there's another way we can add things to an array that doesn't mutate the original array. And we can use the rest operator for that, or the spread operator. So I can say Priscilla. First, let's reset them all. Priscilla equals clothes. And let's say, we'll still do the mutation thing. We'll still say Susie equals Priscilla and Harry equals Priscilla. So now they should all be separate. Okay, now I want to say Priscilla equals, and this is how I'm going to add vinyl to only Priscilla, but not the others. So Priscilla equals ... Priscilla, and this is spreading Priscilla. What this means is taking each item and separating it out, and then we're dumping it inside of an array. So we're basically dumping it back into Priscilla. We only have one item. So if I just hit enter, we can see that Priscilla is just clothes. But I want to add something to it. So I can say comma vinyl collection. So I hit enter. We can see that Priscilla has clothes and a vinyl collection. But let's look at Harry. Oh, he only has clothes. And so does Susie. So what's really going on here? When we set arrays and objects equal to things, we're not actually setting them equal to that raw data. We're pointing to the address in memory where that data is stored. So when we use methods like push and pop and other similar methods like that, we mutate the original data in memory. And so everything that points to that location in memory is going to get that new data. And when I did the spread operator, so let's do it again, but for Harry, let's say Harry equals ... Harry. This spreading and putting it in the array actually creates a totally new object in memory. And we're setting it equal to the items that are already in the Harry array. So it's creating a new object in memory and setting it equal to this array. So I can also give him a ball. He's actually my dog. So now Harry has clothes and a ball. And Priscilla has clothes and vinyl. And Susie just has clothes. So that's a brief introduction to mutation and how it can kind of mess up your program.